In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the View tab is not showing on Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead and do on the search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. So if you look at the ribbon at the top, we can find the file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, preferences, mailings, review, developer, help, Acrobat, and new tab. But there is no view tab. So how can we fix that? Click on the file tab, and here you have to click on more. Click on options. Now click on customize ribbon. And here you have customize ribbon. Click on this drop down and choose main tabs. Then here, we just need to simply scroll down and we can find the View tab. So to show it, we have to check it from here and click on OK. And now, the View tab is back right here on this ribbon. Okay, so we can now access its features and options on the View tab. Okay, so that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.